Where the fuck you know? I'm doing this kind of
I take a video.
What you have me today?
Huh? We can't start. Shit! I might have to keep trying to follow. Here with that. Let me put my thing down. Oh shit, don't take it easy, man. Boy, I need to adjust my seat. Adjust the pumping the brakes. Oh shit! I'm a homie. Let me stop at the intersection over there. Lower down. I will do it. Oh god. Oh shit. Bro, I strong in one hand, you know. Watch me so you know. I strong in one hand. Put that shit up. Bro, I need my seat a little more back because let me see if I can do it. Yes! I'm a homie. Take your time, boss man. Oh shit. Damn. Boy, this son just forget me. This son just forget me, boy. Shit! Cool little Altizer. Damn, that shit hard though. I'm a homie. Oh shit! That's all. Easy. That shit big though, my homie.
Whoa! What do you mean by that?
My favorite part of the road is approaching, so I have to record him. You see me? I mean, even if he blocking me, we can't really see much, but I'm on the brakes. Oh shit. I'm on the brakes. I'm a homie. Bro. Easy, my boy. Easy. Man doesn't take his time now. Man does just roll away. Shit. I'm on the brakes though. I'm on the brakes with it. You see right there? That's my favorite part. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. No, I'm him. Very shit, man. All them niggas not holding their side. And that is one reason why I like that, you know, because when you see I pass in their full speed and I have to zoop.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Feel me though. Smooth with it. Oh shit. That boy just passed. That boy just passed. He was like, hell to the nasal. POV tow drive.
Can you shut the fuck up?
Bro, I suspect that one I have to title that video. We tow in a vehicle, right? But it's a POV drive.
We do not care.
POV tow drive. I don't know why I just... You know what? Let it be. Just let it be. On the brakes, cuz. I'm a homie though. Oh shit. On the brakes, cuz. Just make it tight. On the brakes, cuz. We seem to have man behind us. Shit. I'm a homie. Oh, you know that truck. Oh my god. That John is big.
What do you mean by that?
Boy, Mr. pulling me fast, boy. Mr. pulling me fast. And now he telling me so long in his backside.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey.
Ajat, he not even going on thing, you know. Oh shit. Come on. Kelly. Oh my god. Oh. The man not just pull me, bro. The man doesn't even take his time now, dog. This freaking guy, bro. We have a long drive. Real shit though. Oh, I'm just chilling though. I'm happy. Baby though. Let's stop talking. What is wrong with Brody now? Niggas just tweaking. Boy, look at the long freaking traffic behind there. The rearview mirror. Watch the rearview mirror. Freaking long traffic there. Let them pass. Boy, don't make nobody pass, boy. Let's go, boy. If they have to pass, they will pass, boy. What's wrong with him? Why are you making them pass for now? Why are you making them pass for now? You seen everybody passing, you stopping. Let them niggas wait. Yes, 180 on the dash, my boy. We going crazy. Speed. I'm on that boy bumper. It's him out. He not going nowhere. Let me see if I can pick a little bit so I can just pass his blood clot. But let's go. We passing him. No, we not passing him.
Really, nigga?
Shit, they're nice. We on the bridge, cuz. Oh shit, you know something? I just forget myself. And Mr. just forget me. Mr. just pull me like a... hell wrong with him? Boy, we going fast. Shit. Bro, why you have to be pulling me so damn fast, cuz? This is not Need for Speed, yeah? He was painting that the other day. Looking real nice.
Oh no, no. Yeah.
I guess we're stopping.
Oh,
We're stopping to get some. We're stopping to get some. Let me go and get some corn. We're getting some corn. Anyways, I'll be back.
One eternity later.
Oh, damn. Yeah. Yeah. Boss, you know? That bone going hard.
Shit, what is that?
Okay. The bastard coming back. So let me put myself in gear.
Okay, make sure you over this time.
And then when you're moving out, you just pull me, you doesn't even make the rope tight now. You see, you want to, you pulling me, you know. But now you want to blame me. Yeah, we moving out. This you see that? You see how you just pulling me? Oh, this alright. Shit, I want to show you. I really want to show you. Damn. Ooh, shit, she sucks. I hope the camera picked that up. Don't worry about me, shorty. I got this, y'all. As you can see now, guys, I am now freewheeling down the hill. So he take out the rope. It's a very long hill, so he take out the rope. So I can just, boy, that stone be golly. So I can just do my thing. You feel me? So we almost reach back. Yeah. Yeah, we almost reach back. Hey, that sound like we in an electric V. Sound like we in an electric V. Down, let's go. Go. Chucky, shake. Go, zoom. We zoom in. We going. Bruh, that no good brakes, boy. Oh shit. Are you braking for now? I feel to pass him, you know. Are you braking for now? Me, that should be the one braking, eh? What you braking for, cuz? You have me using a set of my brakes, bro. Like, come on now. Ah! Oh shit, I so like that, boy. They just bring me so you jack. I don't know, I like that. I like to pass in that. Oh shit. We taking the corner. Oh. What you talking about? Okay. You see, slow down my momentum now. I slow. And now you going and leave me. So them kind of thing there, boss. I do braking for the next corner, eh? I just gonna see how far up the hill I can reach. Okay, I had to because the freaking dummy.
Freaking dummy brick.
Let's go.
God. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Well, that was fun. But we right where he's stopping and anyways, the next clip is still when we reach out. Don't worry about that. My bad, blood. Okay, well, we just reached.